Hey guys, Jono from Tactical Solutions here, and it is Shot Expo time, and we're really excited. We're giving away a phenomenal prize. It's worth about $1,500. Yeah, let me quickly show you. So, starting from the top, you get these amazing Oakley Maritime valves. They're really great. I mean, looking through it, it takes away all the glare. Great Surefire cap. Wingman, Leatherman. Taclite Pro Short Sleeve Shirt. Love these because it's got the hidden pockets at the back. Really awesome. TDU belt. And then also Stryke Pants. You can also get yourself some awesome 6-inch 511 socks. The tech behind these are really cool, extremely comfortable. Got a very cool Rush 24. Which is going to come with a great Tactical Solutions patch, New Zealand flag, and on the molly attachment, now if you don't know what molly is, it's these guys, that little canvas pieces that you use to attach your gear to. We've got a Breakthrough 223 cleaning kit. It's got a cool skull on it. Pop this open. So you got a few goodies in there. Keep it clean. Also win yourself a G2X Pro Surefire. Phenomenal light. And also the EP7 Sonic Defenders Ultra. These are awesome. These are rated at level 5. To finish it off, very handy armband. Awesome prize. And also really easy to enter. We'll give you those details. Keep an eye on our social media pages. And yeah, don't see you again. See you at Shot. Looking forward to it.